Well, beginnings are always beautiful. The beginnings are. Okay, do you know Breakfast at Tiffany's? The film, not the novella. I know, there's a novella. Who knew? The beginning. Audrey Hepburn, the most beautiful person ever, gets out of a cab, and Jeep Vom Chic, quadruple strands of pearls. And then she walks to the window of a Tiffany's. Again, with the beautiful. And the melody, Moon River, Watson. Start with me. The beauty quadrant is excessively high. And then the beautiful Audrey Hepburn sneaks into her Upper East Side townhouse, away from the not so beautiful older man. But the runaway part is beautiful. And then the unspeakable happens. Mickey Rooney. Mickey Rooney, in full-on novelty, he rocktail glasses and buck teeth in regretting I must protest. And we can never recover. She can gab on and on about the mean reds and the cat not having a name, but sorry, it's too late. The beginning has been irrevocably ruined. But I digress. We're in New York City, which we Los Angeles love, accepting awards from critics, which we love even more so. My client, a rising young movie star who suffers from a recurring case of homosexuality, informs me, for his date, are you possibly suited for this? For his date to this award ceremony, he would like to bring his mother, so no one knows that he is gay.